and welcome to your favorite series at home workout with me Navjot, your own health and transformation coach. आज हम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वर्कआउट करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है लो इम्पैक्ट हाई इंटेंसिटी इंटरवल ट्रेनिंग. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. घर पर अपने बॉडी वेट के साथ अगर आप बहुत सा वेट लूज करना चाहते हैं और आप बिगनर हैं या बहुत समय के बाद वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, then this workout is perfect for you. Don't wait up. Let's get started.
Let's start with the first one, which is squat and kicks. For that, get into a wide squat position and go as deep as you can. Now get up and kick on the side. Both sides actually. Keep doing this for 30 seconds straight. Next up is curtsy lunges. For this, stand straight and go back in a lunge position diagonally. While doing this, make sure your knee is not crossing your toe. Go as deep as you can. It's time for inchworms. For this, stand straight and walk forward with your hands into a plank position. While doing this, make sure you do not bend your knees. This will straighten up and strengthen your hamstrings. That's the back of your thigh. Keep going. Let's now punch it out. 3 punches and knee. Well, this is intense and extremely effective in working your whole body. Standing oblique crunches. For this, you have to stand straight, facing forward and crunch on this side. Make sure your elbow and your knees touch. This will give you that hourglass shape that you always desired. Reverse lunge and knee raise. Working your lower body again, make sure your upper body is not bent forward, back is straight. Go as low as you can and kick up. Reverse crunches and kick ups. Well, this will work on your lower abs very effectively. If you want to get that flat tummy, do this exercise. Go all in. It's not that easy but extremely effective. It's time for knee push-ups. You can also do full push-ups if you have that strength. Otherwise, I'm showing you knee push-ups. In this, you will be able to work your chest muscles without killing yourself, yet getting the desired results. Go all in. Make sure your elbows are not protruded outwards. It's bent backwards and you're able to touch your chest with the floor. Keep going. Now, let's work on scissor legs. Lie down flat on the mat and cross your legs upwards into a 90 degrees. This will work on your complete abdominal muscles and help you get that flat tummy. Shoulder taps time. Get into a plank position on your arms. Make sure your arms are under your shoulder and now alternatively tap your shoulders with your hands. This will give your arms and your upper body the toning that will give you that hourglass shape and make you stronger. Now let's work on hip raises. Get into a reverse plank position. Put one of your leg on the knee and push your body upwards towards the ceiling. Make sure when you're doing this, you're squeezing your glutes inwards. This will give your whole body the strength that you desire. It will tone your abs and also work on your glutes muscles. Repeat it on the other side and give it your all. Let's go. Keep going. In and out squats. We all know how difficult it is to work on your lower body, but this particular exercise works on your legs all at one. Get into a squat position and squat out alternatively with both legs. Continue doing that for 30 seconds. Almost towards the end of the session. Keep going. Now it's time to get a little more cardio-centric. Let's do cross hops. Jump up and alternatively touch your toes with your hands. Do that as quickly and as intensely as you can. Keep going for 30 seconds. Almost there. And last up, twisting. Let's work those obliques. Keep going, jump and twist. Do that for 30 seconds and you're done.
Woohoo! Wasn't this great? I promise you, ये workout extremely effective है. Do these exercises in a circuit of three times in a week and you will be able to achieve your fat loss goals extremely quickly. आज के लिए इतना ही. I will be back on this series at home workout with Navjot with another exciting and effective workout. Stay tuned.